About this item, stable to hold 27 to 60 TVs. This universal tabletop TV stand base fits for most 27, 32, 37, 39, 40, 42, 43, 47, 49, 50, 55, 60 inches LED, LCD, plasma and OLED 4K smart flat panel / curved screen TV / monitor / PC. TV mounting bracket is compatible with TV brands such as Samsung, Sony Bravia, LG, Sharp, Insignia, Vizio, Haier, Toshiba, Sharp, Panasonic, Philips, Dynix, Element, TCL, JVC and so on. Sturdy, well-constructed TV stand is a good decoration for your living room, bedroom, dining room, school, office. Height adjustment. There are 3 levels height adjustment, 2 inch for each level. TV base stand total height from 21.8 inch to 25.8 inch. You can easily set the height as your need. Meanwhile, cable management included to collect the messy cables for tidy and clean TV VESA. Before purchase the stand, please make sure this mount will fit your TV. Please ensure your TV's VESA bold pattern falls between these two sizes, 100 W, mmx 100, H, mm, 4x4, up to 400 W, mmx 400, H, mm, 16x16. Please turn to the image named TV compatibility for more details. Safe and stable, designed with a heavy-duty steel pole and tempered glass base. This tabletop TV stand can easily hold your TV on your table with safety and stability. Mount weight capacity up to 88 pounds. Furthermore, this TV stand enabled you to use your existing entertainment center and installing a larger TV. It would also look good in any room. Easy installation and warranty. Universal TV stand base comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual for quick and easy installation with all relative fittings provided that save a trip to the building supply store. You can install the TV stand without any hassle. Furthermore, Rfiver TV stand includes